Hello everyone, my name is Pranesh Surendran and my team members are Akram, Hasman, Amirul and Anku. So welcome back. In this video, we will explain a simple program where we can calculate fish selling price. So in this part, I will explain to you guys how we can select different fish types, enter their weights and quantity and guess the total price for each type of fish. So let me demonstrate it by showing you guys the design that we created. As you guys can see here, this is our design. We have three types of fish, which is kembung, kerisi and siakap. We also have declared the prices, which is price for per kilogram, weight, quantity, and let me explain to you guys in detail by showing the code that we created. The purpose of this program is to make it easier for the seller or buyer to calculate the cost of fish based on the type of fish selected, the weight of fish per unit, the quantity purchased. Each fish has a fixed price kilogram, which is multiplied by the weight and quantity entered by the user. So let me bring you guys to the code. I have declared weight cam, weight care, weight sia, which means to store the weight for kembung, kerisi and siakap. I've also declared quantity cam, quantity care and quantity sia, which means to store the quantity for each type of fish. And if you guys can see, I have declared result cam, result ke and result sia to store the total price for each fish type. Alright, so for the result, we store the overall result if needed, and for optional weight, currently unused but could be used for extra calculation. So overall, we use this calculator uses checkbox to allow selection of type fishes and validates user input before calculation, calculates the total cost by multiplying price per kg and weight times quantity, display the result for each selected fish. This is a simple yet effective way to calculate and display cost for multiple products. So let me demonstrate it. For example, I select kembung and then the weight is 2 kg and then the quantity is 1. I select kerisi, the weight is 2 kg, then the quantity is 1. For siakap, the weight is 3 kg, the quantity is 2. So I calculate, it will display this. So this is my part, and for further information about this program, my friends will explain about it. Thank you.
So today I'm going to explain about this part, which is optional. So this is gut and clean. It's for user once their fish gut and clean, and it is done by the worker. So let's see the code first. Wait a minute. So this is the code for the optional part. This code is for user to click this, and then there are the formula of it. So if user doesn't input anything for this, the value is 0. So let's go to the output. For example, kembung fish, weight 1, quantity 1. The original price is 9 ringgit without gut and clean. However, if I click this, it will be 10 ringgit. So let's see if the weight is changed. So it will, so the weight have a, and so the more weight, the more price you have to pay, and also the quantity. So that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Azman, and now I will continue on the next part, which is the menu strip button. So, if we look into the design here, I will explain the file menu part. So here there are two options: next customer and exit. So I will explain next customer first. So okay, let's run the code. So let's say I input every boxes. So here, when I click calculate, it will display the total price. So, but when I click next customer, it will reset all the input that the user have put. And also, if you look into the code here, the next customer button, first it will check if the result is above 0, then it will put now customer equal to 1 and total sales equal to total sales plus result. This is will be used later in the process button. So here is just a simple code to remove all the input that the user have put inside the program. And next, I will explain the exit button. It's really straightforward. It will literally quit the program. It will stop the program. So here is the code lah. Alright, that's all from me. I will let my friend to continue.
Hi, my name is Amirul Hakim. Now I will explain for the part of this program. So for this program, record sales data for multiple customer and display a summary. When the next customer option is clicked, the system checks if the current sales amount is greater than 0. If it is, it increments the number of customers and adds the set amount to the total sales. When the summary option is selected, the program sends the total number of customers and the total sales to the summary form. In the summary form, the program calculates the average sale per customer and displays the number of customers, total sales, and average sales. The form also includes a close button to exit the summary view. Now I will show you the example of our program. So for the first customer, I will enter input here. And I will press the calculate button, and the total price for the first customer will store here. And I will press the next customer at the file option. I will enter the second customer information. Then I press the calculate button. It will store the second customer total price. And before we go to the summary, we need to press the next customer, because in our program we place the total customer count after we press the next customer option here, and we will go to the summary here. Then it will show to us the total summary of the customer here. So that's all. Thank you.
So this is our form. and my part is to create the help button, which is very easy. Just by one click you'll see about, and this about will explain briefly how the form works. So I'll explain. So first one, you have to choose which type of fish you want. For example, you want a combo, you increase and check up. You can either choose one or two, or either like all of them at the same time. So there's price and weight and quantity. Weight and quantity is like depends on what weight and quantity you choose. For optional, we have the gut and clean. Once you click this, it will like total up the gut and clean for service, and this one will show the result, like how much the fish cost, and this one the total price calculate. It will There's like all of the instruction here. So thank you for thank you